Congratulations on your new website. This video is a quick introduction to CUBIT, which is the editing system you're going to use to edit your website through a browser from any computer. First, you want to look at the main menu at the top here. You see there's a home, preferences, blocks, and then widget manager. And then if you have the blog module, you'll see blog here, and if you have the shopping cart module, you'll see cart accounts. Otherwise, these two will be missing. And then you have the create page button, create link button, and create form button. And then you have your main menu of pages, your page list. Keep in mind it's in the order that it's going to appear in the website, providing that particular page is showing. It's not hidden. On the right side here you can see there's an edit button, then a duplicate button, which would just clone the page, duplicate it with content, name, everything would remain the same. It would just make a copy of the page. Then the set home button, which causes, when you click on it, it causes that page to become the home page, so that when you type in your website.com, that's the page it goes to immediately. And then there's just a move up and a move down button that shifts the page order. So we'll move About Us up, and then we'll move it back down, and it just puts it in the order you want it to appear in the menu. And then there's the delete button. It's just a little trash can icon. If you want to delete a page, it prompts you ahead of time if you want to delete it. You say you sure you want to delete it, say delete yes, or cancel if no. And then the icons along the left side, there's a house icon that means that that's the home page. If it's just a standard piece of paper, that means it's a regular page. If it's a chain link icon, that means it's just a link like this. And if it's a little form icon, that means it's a form. And so we'll go ahead and go to Preferences. In Preferences, you're going to see your basic company name, where you're going to put your site name. This is what appears in the footer with the copyright, as well as if you don't have a logo uploaded yet, it's going to be what's put in the header where your company name is. And this is where you'll choose the front end template. You'll probably have a blank template, so you can create a page with nothing in it, or no framework, no menu or background or framework. And then there'll be your regular template, and then just your admin email, and then your password. This is where it'll change your password. When you change it, it'll ask you to confirm it, so there'll be a pop-up window there. And then your global metadata, global meta description, meta keywords. This is what's standard on all pages. If providing you leave that particular page's metadata empty, it will use this. So I certainly recommend you put something in here in the beginning, at least that way each page has some information on it. And then this system, which is advanced, I wouldn't touch any of that. That's mainly for testing and making corrections if needed. Developer section. The offline mode, you can turn the site offline or online. Most people just put this offline if there's some reason they need to take the site down quickly, and you can put a message in there with what's left on the page when they go there. And then the edit header, if you have the flash animated text in the header area, and in some cases other places in the site, you can expand this and type in whatever message you want, and do line breaks where you want them as well. You can set font sizes, set font styles, and you can click to open up the pop-up window to see the different fonts that are available for the flash animated text. And then of course set your colors, pretty much any color you want in there. And then so there's the main text and the subtext. Depending on your template, this subtext might actually appear in the footer. Sometimes it's right below the main text in the header, and sometimes it's both. So you want to keep this simple, and break the line when necessary. And when you're done, just hit save. And that's basically the overview of all of the menu area. Of course, you want to be able to view the site. You can just hit View Site right there, and it displays the site on the front end like that. And then from there you can go to different pages. So that's pretty much all there is to the the menu and navigation of the back end of the website. The next video will explain basics of the tools and editing a page.